Okay guys, we are back. Today we are playing Airplane Story. Okay guys, we are back. Today we're playing Airplane Story. Gotta get in. Okay. We're about to take off, I guess.
I'm in.
Guys, get in. Okay. Okay, what is this? Guys? Okay.
Okay,
I'm going to the bathroom. No, I can't get in.
But where do you sit?
Yo, what?
Look at your number.
Oh, wait. D6. Okay.
D6. That's cool. I'm D13.
Where is D? Okay.
Hello, everyone. Hello. This is your captain speaking.
Okay.
Welcome aboard Flight 1172. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. Weather looks good today, which means we should be arriving at our destination in no time. Feel free to explore the airline.
Okay, bro. Come here. You mean the airplane? It says airplane.
Why did you say 7036?
Yo, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? But I'm going to the pilot's area.
Okay.
Why?
I want to go to the restroom.
Nah, but it's locked.
I know.
Yo, why is this so luxury?
Now, please find your seats as we're about to cross. No, you need to find your seat or else you die.
Okay. But why is nobody sitting next to me?
What? Thank you for your cooperation. Cooperate. Wait, am I taller than you? No way. I'm taller.
No, it isn't. But it's because your little evil ears.
Oh, a snack. I don't think we should either. I think we save it for when the plane crashes.
No, the plane is not going to crash.
I don't know. I just feel like it crashes. Cause like...
Give me food.
Wait, does this have mayonnaise in it? Isn't someone allergic to mayonnaise on this flight? Bro, someone's allergic to mayonnaise on this flight.
How do you know? I got a sandwich.
Oh no, we'll go.
Yeah, how do I eat that sandwich? Mom.
Look for a med kit.
Quickly, we need to find a medical. What the heck?
Oh, I see mine.
Where's a medical? I need to find a medical. Where is it? Wait, no. Oh no, where is one? I might die. Yo, where is it? Where is
Find it.
Where is it? I found it? Oh no. Where is it? Bro, I don't see it. You took it. You took it from me.
Bro, sit back. Sit.
I'm sitting.
Oh no, I feel like we're definitely gonna crash.
Where we are?
No, we have to crash. Yeah, we're gonna crash. We're gonna crash. He's about to tell us we're about to crash.
Good night.
I know it. Oh!
Oh my god.
I knew it, man. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang.
What?
I knew it.
Do, 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 do. Guys, look. Ah! But you spinning? Are you spinning right now too?
You will not show
What?
all those. Wait, what are they? Snakes?
No, I hate snakes. I hate snakes.
Wait, the snakes?
Where?
It's not a snake.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't die.
Try.
Hide in first class.
Why? Is that good?
Just come on, hide in first class. There's no snakes there. Oh no, I think
There's no snakes. Ah!
Oh.
There is.
I'm in.
You and your
I'm
seat?
in. Oh, get in the restroom. Come on.
What? Okay, what?
Are you in?
No.
Come on, boy, you only have 10 seconds. Get in. Yes. Okay, we're safe.
We're safe.
Oh, guys,
buddy.
don't watch this. I just need to
Hey,
take it down.
yo, okay. I'm not. Hey, yo. We're locked in here.
Oh, they died.
Bruh.
That was scary.
Should I revive
We
them?
should discuss what the heck is happening. Yeah, I think Mr. Bacon, you're right.
Wait, how do you even do that chat thingy?
Guys, I still have my sandwich. I'm a genius. Should I go outside?
Well, what's happening?
Uh-oh.
What? Power is back up. Okay, finally. There's no snakes. I'm going to the back of the plane. I'm in the back of the... Yeah, I'm going to the back of the plane.
But look, I said that, and the snakes are gone.
Yo, bro, how do you have chat? Oh, everybody has chat.
It's just saying it for me.
Oh, it is.
Uh-oh.
But do you have chat? I have chat.
The bad news is that we are losing.
But do you have chat?
Well,
Yeah.
get into your seats.
Okay, jeez, I'm coming. We're losing oxygen. Why would we go in our seats? What? I died. Okay,
I survived.
I'm reviving. I don't care.
Okay.
Yesterday was my birthday. Gotta spoil myself.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh my god. What is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no.
Wait.
I said, what are we gonna do?
Okay, everyone.
Okay, everyone, calm down.
Calm down.
No,
There's a
I'm never
bomb.
calming down. If we find something sharp to... Yes, it's right here.
Oh yeah, I see scissors. I found a pair of scissors. What? Oh.
How do I put
I will cut the red cable. I feel like this is gonna go long.
Wait, you already got it? Oh, I found the med kit. But 25 Robux? No. Hey, where are you? Cut it! What are you guys doing? Cut it!
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Pilot! We're saving your life right now!
Oh, cut the red cable. Cut the red cable already!
Do it!
Yeah, what? Are we talking about the red cable?
You know, maybe we should get back in our seats.
Hey, wait, look at the back. Maybe the red cable's... I will cut the red cable.
Okay, we get it.
Okay, bro. I'm following him, so then... But he's not cutting the red cable.
Oh, I think he's... Wait, where is the red cable?
2027?
Yeah, I'm gonna go in my seat now.
But why does he keep saying, I will cut the red cable? I will cut
Come
the
on,
red
man, cut the red cable.
Cut the red cable. Just cut the red cable. Cut the red cable. Just cut the red cable. Guys, like and subscribe if you should cut the red cable.
Cut the red...
Where is he? Where? What? What?
But he left.
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. That's just a
We're dead. We're dead.
Oh my god, we're dead. Okay, we might as well just jump out.
Yep.
We can't! Yo, are we in space?
I'm just gonna eat my last meal.
Okay, guys.
That was a sad